7 healthy dessert ideas for weight loss. Hi and welcome back to my channel Healthy Bites. Have a sweet tooth that just won't quit? Don't worry, we've got you covered with 7 healthy dessert ideas that'll hit the spot without derailing your progress. You don't have to sacrifice your goals to satisfy your cravings anymore. These desserts are both scrumptious and specifically designed to support weight loss with wholesome ingredients and lower calories. And with fruity and creamy delights to choose from, you'll be able to indulge in some guilt-free sweetness while staying on track towards your goal. Number 1. Peanut butter cookies, 210 calories. Peanut butter cookies are a delightful treat that not only satisfy your sweet tooth, but also offer some nutritional benefits. This recipe provides a balance of flavors and textures, combining the rich taste of peanut butter with a soft and chewy cookie texture. Peanut butter is a good source of healthy fats, protein, and fiber, which can help keep you feeling full and satisfied. It also contains important nutrients like vitamin E and magnesium. These cookies can be enjoyed as a snack or a dessert option, providing an indulgent experience without excessive calories. Just remember to enjoy them in moderation as part of a balanced diet. Here are the ingredients for peanut butter cookies. 1 cup peanut butter, creamy or crunchy, 1/2 cup granulated sugar, 1/2 cup packed down sugar, 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. In a mixing bowl, cream together the peanut butter, granulated sugar, brown sugar, egg, and vanilla extract until well combined. Scoop tablespoon-sized portions of dough and roll them into balls. Place the dough balls onto the prepared baking sheet, leaving some space between each cookie. Use a fork to make a crisscross pattern on top of each cookie, gently pressing it down. Baking in the preheat oven about 10 to 12 minutes or until the edges are slightly golden. Remove the cookies from the oven and allow them to cool on the baking sheet for a few minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. Each cookie has approximately 210 calories, making them a delightful treat that can be savored in moderation. Number 2. Low calories brownies, 100 calories. Looking for a guilt-free way to satisfy your chocolate cravings? These low-calorie brownies are a perfect solution. Made with healthier alternatives to traditional ingredients, they offer a lighter and more nutritious option without compromising on taste. With just 100 calories per brownie, you can indulge in the rich and fudgy goodness without worrying about your waistline. These brownies are typically made with ingredients like unsweetened cocoa powder, whole wheat flour, natural sweeteners, and a touch of healthy fats. They are a great source of antioxidants, fiber, and essential nutrients. So go ahead and enjoy a delicious chocolated treat while keeping your calorie intake in check. Here are the instructions. First, preheat your oven to 350 Fahrenheit and lightly grease a baking dish. In a mixing bowl, combine the cocoa powder, whole wheat flour, natural sweetener, baking powder, and salt. Add the unsweetened applesauce, low-fat Greek yogurt, almond milk, and vanilla extract. Mix until well combined. If desired, fold in the dark chocolate chips for an extra chocolatey touch. Pour the batter into the greased baking dish and spread it evenly. Bake in the preheat oven about 15 to 20 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out with a few moist crumbs. Allow the brownies to cool before cutting them into squares. Serve and enjoy this delicious low-calorie brownies as a guilt-free dessert or snack. Number 3. Healthy banana cake, 190 calories. Indulge in a delightful and healthier dessert with this delicious banana cake, packed with the natural sweetness of ripe bananas and made with nutritious ingredients. These cakes offer a guilt-free treat that you can enjoy. With just 190 calories per serving, It's a perfect option for those seeking a lighter alternative to traditional cake recipes. These healthier version typically incorporates whole wheat flour, mashed bananas, Greek yogurt, and natural sweeteners like honey or maple syrup. It provides a good source of fiber, vitamins, and honey minerals compared to regular cakes. So go ahead and savor a slice of this moist and flavorful banana cake without compromising your health goals. Here are the instructions. Preheat your oven to 350 Fahrenheit and grease a cake pan. In a mixing bowl, combine the mashed bananas, Greek yogurt, honey or maple syrup, eggs, and melted coconut oil. Mix until well combined. In a separate bowl, whisk together the whole wheat flour, almond flour, baking powder, cinnamon, and salt. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, stirring until just combined. Avoid overmixing. Pour the batter into the greased cake pan and spread it evenly. Bake in the preheated oven for approximately 25 to 30 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Allow the cake to cool before removing it from the pan. Number 4. Crepes with fruit dessert recipes. 180 calories. Indulge in a delightful and healthier dessert with these delectable crepes filled with fresh fruits. This recipe offers a satisfying and guilt-free treat that is perfect for satisfying your sweet cravings. Crepes, known for their thin and delicate texture, provide a versatile base for a variety of fillings. By incorporating an assortment of fresh fruits like berries, sliced bananas, or diced mangoes, you add a burst of natural sweetness and vibrant flavors to each bite. With just 180 calories per serving, this dessert is a lighter option compared to many other sweet treats. Enjoy the combination of soft, tender crepes and juicy fruits, while also benefiting from the vitamins, minerals, and fiber that the fruits provide. Treat yourself to this delightful dessert and savor the goodness of both taste and health. Here are the instructions. In a mixing bowl, whisk together the flour, eggs, milk, water, melted butter, and vanilla extract until the batter is smooth and free of lumps. Heat a non-stick skillet or crepe pan over medium heat. Lightly grease the pan with cooking spray or butter. Pour about 1/4 cup of the batter into the hot pan and swirl it around to evenly coat the bottom. Cook the crepe for about 1 to 2 minutes or until the edges start to turn golden brown. Flip the crepe and cook for an additional 1 to 2 minutes. Repeat the process with the remaining batter, stacking the cooked crepes on a plate. Once all the crepes are cooked, fill each crepe with a generous number of fresh fruits. Roll or fold the crepes and place them on a serving plate. If desired, drizzle a small amount of honey over the crepes or dust them with powdered sugar. Serve the crepes with a dollop of Greek yogurt on the side or as a topping. Number 5. Dark chocolate covered strawberries. 60 calories. Dark chocolate covered strawberries are a delicious and healthier dessert option that offers a combination of indulgence and nutritional benefits. Dark chocolate contains a higher percentage of cocoa, which is rich in antioxidants. These antioxidants can help protect against free radicals and promote heart health. Strawberries, on the other hand, are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and dietary fiber. By combining these two ingredients, you get a dessert that satisfies your sweet tooth while providing a dose of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. Here are the instructions. Wash the strawberries thoroughly and pat them dry with a paper towel. In a microwave-safe bowl or using a double boiler, melt the dark chocolate until smooth and fully melted. Hold each strawberry by the stem and dip it into the melted dark chocolate, coating it about 3/4 of the way. Allow any excess chocolate to drip off, then place the chocolate-covered strawberry on a parchment-lined baking sheet. Repeat the process with the remaining strawberries. Once all the strawberries are coated, refrigerate the baking sheet for about 15 to 20 minutes to allow the chocolate to set. Once the chocolate has hardened, remove it from the refrigerator and serve the dark chocolate-covered strawberries as a delightful and guilt-free dessert. Number 6. Greek Yogurt Parfait, 150 calories. Greek Yogurt Parfait is a delicious and nutritious dessert or snack option that provides a wide range of health benefits. Greek yogurt is an excellent source of protein, which helps promote satiety and support muscle growth and repair. It is also rich in calcium, essential for maintaining strong bones and teeth. Additionally, Greek yogurt contains probiotic, beneficial bacteria that promote a healthy gut and improve digestion. By layering Greek yogurt with fruits and toppings, you create a parfait that is not only satisfying but also packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It is a versatile dessert that can be customized to suit individual preferences and dietary needs. In a glass or bowl, layer Greek yogurt at the bottom. Add a layer of fresh fruits on top of the yogurt. Repeat the layers of yogurt and fruits until you reach the desired amount. If desired, sprinkle granola or nuts over the top for added crunch and texture. Drizzle a small amount of honey or maple syrup for sweetness if desired. Repeat the layering process in individual serving glasses or create a larger parfait bowl. Number 7. Frozen banana bites, 80 calories. Frozen banana bites are a delicious and nutritious treat that offers benefits. They are a great alternative to traditional sugary snacks and desserts. Bananas are packed with essential nutrients, such as potassium, vitamin C, and dietary fiber. They also provide natural sweetness without the need for added sugars. Coating the banana slices in dark chocolate adds antioxidants and indulgent flavor. Additionally, freezing the banana bites creates a satisfying and refreshing texture, perfect for a hot day or a guilt-free dessert option. For instructions, peel the banana and slice them into bite-sized pieces. Line a baking sheet with a parchment paper. Melt the dark chocolate using a double boiler or microwave, stirring until smooth. Dip each banana slice into melted chocolate, fully coating it, and place it on the prepared baking sheet. If desired, sprinkle your preferred toppings into the chocolate-coated banana slices. Place the baking sheet in the freezer and let the banana bites freeze for at least 2 hours until firm. Once frozen, transfer the banana bites to an airtight container or freezer bag for storage. And that concludes our list of 7 healthy dessert ideas for weight loss. Do you happen to know any healthy dessert ideas for losing weight that we haven't listed? Feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. This way, you'll be always in the loop when it comes to the most delicious and nutritious foods out there. That's all for now. Bye!